So the Maverick has not said a word about schoolboy football from the season start. And my first observation concerns one of the big teams in the Manning Cup, Kingston College. I notice KC start again like a house on fire. Now with this kind of jackrabbit start, my mind flashed back to last season when KC shoot out on the blocks. 5-love, 6-love, 9-love. And then when things boil down closer to the business end of the season, the goal them start dry up. The 3 points start turn to 1 point and no points. And we start hearing stories about some key players being tired and then play too much football and blah, blah, blah. Well, how Mr. KC start again this season with all but one of the starters returning outside of defending the Walker Cup title. KC is the neutral's favorite to challenge the decade-long Manning Cup dominance of Jamaica College and St. George's College. And with the quality football that KC played last season, with the expected maturity and improvement, it is fair to say that Kingston College should be challenging not just for the Manning Cup title, but for all schoolboy titles, including the Walker Cup, Olivier Shield, and the Flow Super Cup, and paint the season purple. But I want to say to Coach Ludlow Bernard and the KC team, don't score out all of your goal in the first round. No titles are won in the first round. Manage the minutes and manage the legs of the players. Make a whisper tell Coach Bernard so. You see like how JC start? 1 and 3 man. You see how them start limpish? Them no hype on and score no bag of goal. Them just a limp on it. Limp on the side. I'm not even limp. What the heck?